Good morning, friends. Welcome to the session of how to check given calculation is right or wrong. And the method that we are going to use here, that method is said to be digit sum method. Sometime you may calculate, it may be addition, it may be subtraction, it may be multiplication or a division, right? And after that, you are not sure that whatever answer you have got, whether this answer is right or wrong, right? And you want to check it. We have a very standard method in the mathematics whose name is the digit sum method that may help you to check around 90 to 95% accuracy of the answer. Although 100% you may check, but sometime while calculating you may go for such type of mistake in which you will get the digit term to be same as it was in the wrong answer as it was in the right answer. In that there may be a chance of mistake, but in almost all questions you may find it very easily. Before going over this concept, first of all there is a need to understand the concept digit sum. What do you mean by the term digit sum, right? For example, one number is given 2785, right? And we have to find what is the digit sum of this number, right? Add all them. 5 plus 8 13, 7 20 and 2 22, 2 plus 2 4. So I can say that the digit sum of these number is said to be 4. How we find it? In any question, in any term, when any number is given, if you have to find the digit sum of the number, so what is the process to find out? Just add them, right? I have added all the 4 numbers and I have got that sum of them is said to be 22, right? 9, 8, 17 and 5, 22, right? Then add the digits of 20 to 2 and to 4. So digit sum means it is the sum of the digit until you get converted into a single digit number. Until we convert into a single digit number, right? Let us say one more example. For example, if I say 2 5 9 6 8 4, I have to find the digit sum of this number. 4 8 12, 6 18, 9 27, 5 32 and 2 34, 3 plus 4 7. So I can say that the digit sum of this big number is said to be 7, right? So that first thing that is required in order to answer these varieties of question, that is what is the digit sum. I hope after understanding of this you are clear that what exactly you mean by the concept of the digit sum, right? Now after this we take how we apply this technique in checking our calculations. First of all, let us start with addition. Let us start with addition, right? For example, suppose we have to add some numbers 8796, 2432, 15729. We have to add all these three, right? Although we can add very easily, right? 6 2 8 or 9 17 7 carry 1, 10 3 13 to 15 5 carry 1, 8 4 12 or 7 19 9 carry 1, 9 or 2 11 5 16 6 carry 1 1 and 1 2. That's my sum. Okay, that you are in a position to take. Now the question is how to identify, how to check whether whatever you got that is right or wrong. Okay, let us start with the concept of the digit sum. Find the digit sum of this number 6 9 15 or 7 22 and 8 30, and 3 plus 0 is 3. You may take it 3. 2 3 5 4 9 or 2 11, 1 and 1 2. I may say 2 be 2. 9 to 11, 7 18, 5 23 and 1 24, and 2 plus 4 6. So I can say that I have taken the digit sum of all the numbers, right? Then 3 to 5 or 6 11, because I have to make addition. So I can say that sum is equal to 11 and 1 plus 1 2. So finally I can say that the digit sum of the all addition must be 2. Now I will take the digit sum of this. If this is 2, it means my calculation is right. 7 plus 5 12, 9 21 and 6, 27 and 2 29, 9 plus 2 11, 1 plus 1 2. So here I can say that I have taken all the numbers, I have taken their digit sum individually, that I have got to be 11, 1 and 1, 2. So finally I can say that the digit sum of all these three numbers is 2. Then I have taken the digit sum of these 5 numbers, and when I add all the digits here, so finally I can say 1, 1, 2, right? If these two are equal, so I can say that the calculation that I have done, that is right. I hope the idea is clear. Means whatever you calculate, if at the end the digit sum is same, so you are sure that whatever calculation you have done, that calculation is right. Okay. Let us take one more example here of addition. For example, if I write 76943 28572 69432, I have to add. Okay, so I may add very easily. 2 plus 2 4 3 7, 3 7 10 4 14 4, carry 1, 10 5 15 or 4 19 9, carry 1, 6 1 7 8 15 or 9 24, carry 2, 7 2 9 2 11 or 6 17. So I am getting my sum to be 174947. Okay, now I have to check whatever I have done here, whether this calculation is right or wrong. Now what is the process to check this calculation? Let us start to understand. Okay, just take the addition of all the terms. 3 plus 4 7, 9 16, 22 and 7 29, right? 29 means 2 plus 9 11 and 11 1 plus 1 2. So I can say that the digit sum is said to be 2. Then take this 2 plus 7 9 5 14 or 8 22 or 2 24. 24 means 2 plus 4 6. So here I can say that the digit sum is 6. Take the third one, 2 plus 3 5 4 9 9 18 and 6 24. 24 means 2 plus 4 6. So here I can say that the digit sum is said to be 6. Okay. Now add all the 3, 6 6 12 and 2 14. Right. And 1 plus 4 5. So finally I can say that when I take this number individually, so I will say that the digit sum is said to be 5. Okay. Now let us take the digit sum of this addition, because I have to add 7 4 11 9 20 24 7 31 and 1 32. When I add all the digits I get 32 and 3 plus 2 is 5. Here also I am getting that the digit sum to be 5. Hence finally I can say that my addition will be right. The reason behind it that I have taken the digit sum of these individually. Finally my answer is 5. And now whatever the calculation I have done, I have checked the digit sum of this, that is also 5. Hence I can say this calculation is right. Okay. Let us apply it on the subtraction. Let us apply the same, because same technique we have to use in addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, right? Just try to apply on subtraction. For example, a number is given as 97285 and I have to subtract 36846 out of that, right? Now if you have to subtract, you can easily subtract 15 minus 6 9, 7 minus 4 3, 12 minus 8 4, 6 minus 6 0, 9 minus 3 6. That's my subtraction, right? Now let us try to apply the digit sum method in order to check whether my subtraction is right or wrong. 5 8 13, 2 15, 7 22 and 9 31. 3 plus 1 is 4. So here I have taken my digit sum to be 4. Take the next one. 6 plus 4 10, 18, 6 24 and 3 27 and 2 plus 7 is 9, right? That is 4 and that is 9. Okay. Now take the concept from here. 9 3 12, 4 16 and 6 22. I got to be 22, right? 2 plus 2 is 4, that you got, right? Now I know that when in any question, if the digit sum is 9, you take to be 0, or you may just take it as 4 minus 9, that is said to be minus 5. 4 minus 9 is minus 5, right? And if anywhere where term is in the negative, then you have to add 9 in that and make it positive 4. Both are same, so hence my answer is said to be this calculation is right. So one more thing you have to take care that, or you may say in any question, if digit sum is 9, consider it to be 0. Means when any number is given, right, and you have to take the digit sum of the number, and finally taking the digit sum you have found it to be 9, right? In that case, take the sum to be 0, because 9 we don't take, it should be from 1 to 8, right? If you are getting 9, to take to be 0, right? So here we can say that because here it is 9, so take to be 0, right? So I can say 4 minus 0, 4. So hence I can say my answer is said to be 4. It is 4 and it is 4. So finally we can say the calculation that we have done, that is right. Okay. So that we understood how to apply in case of subtraction. Let us take an example of multiplication. Application of this is multiplication. For example, suppose you have to take square of 1024. Means 1024 into 1024. Right. With base method, you may watch my video on that. You can answer it as 1048576. Right, or you may multiply 1024 into 1024, and finally you can say 1048576. Okay. Now just try to answer here. How we can say it? Find the digit sum of 1024. 4 to 6 and 1 7. 4 to 6 and 1 7. Because they are in multiplication. 7 into 7, you make it 49. Right? 4 and 9 13. 3 and 1 4. So I can say that the digit sum is said to be 4. Means what we have done, we have to multiply 1024 into 1024. Right? We have taken the digit sum 4 to 6 and 1 7. Here also I have taken the digit sum 6 and 1 7. Then because here we are multiplying, to be multiplied 7 into 7, so we are getting to be 49, and 4 and 9 we are getting to be 13, and 3 and 1 is 4. So here I can say I am getting my value to be 4. Okay. Now take the next thing here. Just take the digit sum here. 6 7 13, 5 18, 8 26, 4 30, and 1 31. Multiplication I have taken the digit sum to be 31. 3 and 1 is 4. Both are same. Hence we can say the given multiplication that I have mentioned here, that multiplication is right. Okay. Well, this technique that is not applied on the decimal. One thing you have to take care that if any place you have the decimal, there you cannot apply it. If any place you have the decimal, there you cannot apply it, right? But otherwise you may simply apply it. Otherwise, in any question, you may apply this technique in order to get your answer very easily. Means addition, subtraction and multiplication, at all the three places, this technique can be applied. Sometime in your examinations, you may have the questions and options are given. Let us take one example here. Suppose if I state just, I am just mentioning a question here. Right, that's stated to us. Okay, and few options are given. The first option is stated as 206. Second option is stated as 104 or 204. Third option is given as 205, and fifth option is given as 207. Right, I have to find which one is my answer. I have taken some small number. Sometime in your examination number may be big. In some question it may be applied. I am not saying everywhere it can be applied. Two exceptions you can just specify here in your mind. One exception is in a division we don't apply it. First thing. And the second thing that you can say that when the number is given into the decimal, there we don't apply it. Right. And apart from that, in any other place we apply it. Let us try to answer it. Now one thing is that I just try to solve by explaining it, like 12 square 144 minus 48 plus 121 right? Now what I can say that 144 minus 48, that is 96 plus 121, right? According to that, my answer should be 217. So let us just change it, make it as 216, 214, 215 and 217, because here I am just going to tell you the technique, right? So I will specify here that after finding my answer, I am getting my sum to be 6, 1, 7, 11, 1, 217. Now if you just simplify it, you may say answer is 217. But what I am trying to tell you here that without calculating this, we try to apply the digit sum method. How? 1 plus 2, 3. Because I have to make square means 3 into 3, because if I just take it as 12 square is 12 into 12 minus 48 plus 121, that we have to say. Now what I can say that 2 plus 1 3 and 2 plus 1 3. 3 into 3 9. I know that when my number is 9, so we take the digit sum to be 0. So I put in 0 minus 8 or 4 12, 2 plus 1 3 minus 3 plus 2 1 3 and 1 4. Plus 4, 4 minus 3, 1. So what I can say, the given expression that is given to me, the digit sum of this expression is 1, that I can say, right? Now, I just try to take my options. 6, 1, 7 to 9, here sum is 9, that's not my answer. 4 plus 1, 5 to 7, sum is 7, not my answer. 5 plus 1, 6 to 8, sum is 8, not my answer. 7 plus 1, 8 or 2, 10. 10, 1 and 0, 1. This is my answer. Means, if the digit sum of the given options is not same, in that case, it's very easy for you to identify. In that case, it is very easy for you to identify. But by chance, if the digit sum of two expressions is same, in that, at least you are in a position to eliminate the other two. Right? Because in the starting, I told you that although this technique is 100% okay in calculating whether it is accurate or not, sometime you may, in the while taking it from the option, you may say two options having the same value. In that case, so that is not helpful for you, right? So here what I can say, because here the digit sum of these are not same, so I may simply say that that becomes my answer. So that becomes my answer. I hope the concept is clear. So this is an conceptual method that is named as the digit sum method. I hope you enjoyed the session, and I expect from you, try to apply this technique whenever there is a need to calculate at any place. Whenever there is a need to check whatever calculation you have done, whether that calculation is right or wrong, especially in case of addition, subtraction and multiplication, as well as the student who are going for bank PU examination, because in those examination, number of questions are there which are primarily based on the simplification, right? There you may apply the technique if any appropriate question is there. I will try to present a one practice session over it, in which I will take those questions in which directly the digit sum method can be used, so that after watching that session, you will be perfect with this method of the digit sum method. I hope you enjoyed the session. You may share my videos with your friends as well as on your Facebook wall, so that your friends will also be benefited by this. Thank you very much.